Lightspeed stock drops as its CEO leaves the company. So let's explore what is going on with Lightspeed. It losing 75% of shareholders' wealth when the stock crashed. And at the end, my perspective, if this is the right time to buy, sell, or wait. Hi, my name is Sunny, and I make content that affect a common man financially. So let's dive into today's topic. Lightspeed CEO quits. A buy. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to it alongside smashing that like button, as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm, which will be highly appreciated. The company disclosed that its founder and CEO was stepping down effective immediately to become the chair of the board of directors, while one of its presidents will be elevated to the post of CEO. This shuffling was being planned for a while. As we know, it's not unusual for founders of fast growing technology companies eventually stepping aside while the professional managers take over. You can clearly see this trend with Google, Microsoft, or recently with Amazon, where founder CEOs step aside and let the professional managers grow the business. In a statement, founder CEO said, "We are all humble enough to know that we will do whatever is best for the company, and sometimes the rules have to be looked at, and succession has to happen in order for evolution in this company to occur." Close quote. Its stock price was already under pressure when it fell from $160 down to almost $40 a share. It came under pressure again when the news came out that its founder and CEO is quitting. So, this departure will be seen as a result of stock losing as much as 75% since last September. Its revenue grew by 165% when it reached $155 million by 31st December 2021, which was way above street's expectations. The company is yet to turn profit, still posing a loss of $65 million in spite of this growth. It became the darling of stock investing community, especially in Canada, when last year it saw a huge jump in its valuations and business growth, where people were even talking about it being the next Shopify in the making. But since then, it has seen many issues like short seller report about its financials and now its founder and CEO stepping down, which I would say isn't a great timing. Therefore, as a result, it lost almost 75% of its shareholder wealth as the stock just crashed. Just remember, the main reason while deciding a stock purchase is its financials. Then I would say the other major component is the human psychology behind it, which unfortunately is not helping based on the news coming out these days. Also, they have been buying their competitors big and small for the last couple of months, left, right, and center. Now is the hard part where they have to integrate all those acquisitions so that they can have a scale and hopefully have profitability someday. In my humble opinion, because of the challenges they are facing on multiple fronts, as a result, the stock price is crashing in the recent months. But if you look at their current quarter alongside their guidance, I see a silver lining amongst all the gloom and doom that Lightspeed is facing these days. There are several fluid situations and moving parts that has to fit rightly, but given its present valuations alongside the future prospects, I'm not that pessimistic about the stock. Definitely, I was not a buyer at $120 or $140 a share last year, but frankly, now close to 40 or more closer to $35 make me wonder there is some value in the stock at these price levels. That does not mean I buy it blindly, definitely not, but I would buy cautiously, slowly, and over a period of time with an eye on company's fundamentals as well as the changing macroeconomics in the increasing interest rate environment. Now, does that mean the stock price will not go down from these levels? Absolutely, they can if the broader market goes down even more, which I think is a very strong possibility. That is why I will buy but not go all in, keeping in mind that when it goes down, I can buy more. My thought process is for a long term patient investor, it does not make much of a difference whether you buy at 30, 40, or even $50 a share. Hypothetically, when it becomes 3x or 5x from here over a period of time, $10 here and there while buying is not going to be a life changing event for me. But that is me, I might be wrong. Do your own due diligence before investing based on your risk tolerance. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.